Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Can you help me with my assignment that my auntie gave me in school?
Go on.
What is the full meaning of WHO?
WHO. WHO. World Organization.
No, Diamond, I know you are going to know this one.
Eh, go on.
What is the full meaning of NPF?
NPA. Nigeria Police Force.
See, Azim, why is it that you're asking them small question? Olodo, see them. Ask them every question. They be Olodo, they don't go school. Eh? Olodo people.
You are there talking, Abi. We be Olodo, Abi. What's the full meaning of WHO? Answer us.
Oh, for my one, I be number one. First, I always collect first. WHO. Woo!
Hey, Jesus.
You no go school. Aje.
And they call us Olodo. Who call me Olodo now between me and you?
Woo! You dey pay them. I got it.
Hey! I hear me, take me, back me.
So WHO is who? Your English try you. So the full meaning of WHO is who? Hey, please save a long time. No do man. Thank you for watching that fun video. That short funny video. Please subscribe on Ready Nike Comedy.
We love you.
We love you. Bye bye.